My computer restarted, bro. Did you get my text?
Yeah.
All right, I'm. It's booting up. Good morning, everybody.
All right, let's see what we have going on. Let's see what we got. Let's see. All right, we have on these markets. See what we got in these markets. What's not going crazy? All right, cool. All right, guys, we're just playing forex pairs. So I just play forex pairs. So if I see something, we're gonna try to get up in there. Have your timers that already fixed. So I have them already fixed at least at minimum 3 minutes right now. If we gotta go to 4 minutes, we'll have them 4 minutes. Right now, I'm gonna do fixed 3 minutes right now. Because they are pulling back pretty good, so. All right, AUD CAD. Let's check it out. Oh, they already started it, so they already ending it. They ending it. Did they run? Did they run? Just gotta wait a minute. Hey, Euro JPY. Let's see Euro JPY, USD JPY. All right, we got about a minute on that one. See what they do with that candle. See what they do with that candle. Where's Euro JPY? There we go. All right, cool. All right, EJ. We're gonna look at EJ, Euro JPY. We got about 30 something seconds on this left, so we're gonna see what they close. We got USD JPY as well, so hold on. See if they close on this candle. We're gonna go with UJ. Go with USD JPY. Let them close over this candle. See what they do. It was a pretty good forex day. All right, guys. I'm gonna be looking for a second. Give it a second to pull back. See if it'll pull back for us. We'll be putting this pretty soon. See if they'll pull back for us. So the initial entry is gonna be the most aggressive one. We want them to pull back so that we can get right onto the yellow red line. When they pull back, get yellow to the red line, we should be pretty good to go. So we'll give them a couple seconds, see what they do. We want to be snug on that thing. We want to be snug up on there. We want them to pull back. Give us a chance to win, right? And if they don't, we just wait. That's all it is. Because you can get in here, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that as an entry. But I like to get it right on there. I need to get one of them. Nope. They're not going to give it to us. We got to wait. Which is fine. So we'll wait 3 minutes out, and then we'll go to the next candle. We'll play them all the way down. They already threw us some sauce anyway, so that's a plus. So let's solidify the sauce, which is fine. Here we go. Pull on back. Give us that 3 minute mark. There you go. So on this type right here, when you see sauce when you see sauce on this, you can play 15 minutes on HFX as well. So you can go ahead and play your 15 minutes, your 15-minute rule, 3 candles or less. So if you want to play it, you can. pullback. Yeesh. All right, guys, we can set our candles for 2 minutes. 2 minutes fixed. 2 minutes fixed. 2 minutes fixed, and go ahead and put. Oh, here we go. Come on, there we go. Come on, pull back, pull back, pull back. All right, I'm gonna put 2 minutes. I'm gonna let it ride. Took them 3 minutes to pull back to that boy. I feel better. You know what I mean? Even if they get me out, it's all good. But I gotta get as close as I can to that yellow or red. But today they pulling back today, boy. They ain't playing. I watched these forex pairs. I was like, I'm not in this market today. I'm not going in this market today. Everything's pulling. Every pair. I looked at gold. Gold's pulling up. US 30. Look at them. USD JPY ranging on us. We got a minute though. We got a minute, some change. That's the real right there. That's the patience right there. That red one. This is consolidated. NFP week, baby. Yeah, I'm not doing no forex pairs today though. I'm not playing no forex today. I woke up. I said, "Look at this. Look at this. This is craziness." Look at that spike. That's nasty spike. Oh my goodness. That's one thing about HFX, man. Those spikes to get you. I think the other day I was playing and I had like 7 seconds left. And I was like, I'm good. This thing was way at the bottom. Like way at the bottom. This thing took no time to pull back on me. Took no time to pull back on me. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, we got 19 seconds. See if they're gonna stay below us. See if they don't want to take us out. Oh man, you're gonna pull up on us last second. Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty. I didn't win that one. Unless you got a better entry than me. Alright, we're gonna wait on this one. We gotta wait till they pull back down. Let's see what EJ's doing. We gotta wait for this one. It's gonna be consolidated. They are consolidating. NZD CAD. Nope. They pull it back down on us. Look at that dirty. Play this dirty. Dirty, dirty. All right. Let's wait on you, Jay. I'm going back to 3 minutes. 3 minutes fix. You know, to pull back. Hit it again. We already know the direction. They playing in the direction already. We just need to hit them direction. So these pairs today, if you're playing forex, definitely be careful. HFX, I mean, you just gonna, HFX, it is what it is. We got some crazy rejection down here, though. A lot of rejection right here. It can come down here, though. We got crazy rejection. All right, we gotta go ahead and wait for them to pull back. Paid to wait. What's going on? What's going on, David? What up? What up? I seen some of y'all been killing it though. Some people just been killing it, man. So we'll most likely get on the next candle. So we got some sauce right here, pull back. We've cleared that one, but we got it out at the couple seconds. Pull back. This will be a clear. We gotta wait for the next one. How was y'all Forex week though? Y'all was good? Alright, we got a minute and 50 left on this candle right here, and then we're gonna see what so we can pull back and we can get up in there. UJ dripping, boy. UJ dripping. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. All right, 50 seconds. Come on, UJ. Pull on down. There you go. I need you to pull on down so you can pull on back. It's been a pretty slow like London week. London been pretty slow, man. It's gonna make this all the way till like February, but London been slow. The actual like regular Forex side of it's been real slow. Like 7 or 8, it'll start pushing. But before like 5, man, it's been snail. They might just aggressively open right here, but let's wait. We're really far. We want them to pull back up here. There we go. Pull on back. It might take them 2 or 3 minutes to pull back, but that's fine. Come on, keep on pulling. So for some of y'all that's still learning it and it's just time to play it, we're waiting for this to pull back to the yellow, the red line. We want to be as close as we can to the yellow, the red. 80% of the time they pull back to the yellow, but we want to be as close as we can. All right, this is right here is considered aggressive entry because it's nowhere near that yellow line. So we just want to be as close as we can. You know, even if we did lose that trade, but we gotta be as close as we can. Gotta give yourself a chance to be in the best position. That's why we have fixed time, so they can pull back some more. When they get to about 3 minutes, I think we'll be pretty good. I just don't want them to hit. So when we put our position, they'll like spike up on us. But this right here is an aggressive, so some people take this trade. Some people take the trade aggressively, but I like to be as close as I can, so I'm okay with waiting. They play every excuse me, they play every single candle, so play every single candle in that direction, yes. But I like to be as close as I can, so I just wait. But ideally, you play every single candle in that direction, but I'm paid to wait, so I don't like to be too far from it. HFX to me is already a high risk, so I just try to be as patient as possible. Because they like Forex, we can get your money back, right? You just can't go up in there getting it. That's not how it works. I'm trying to tell folks. And they get mad. Like, oh, I only won 3 wins. Well, hey, look, it ain't get rich tomorrow. or get rich yesterday. You gotta be patient. So you'll see how I do it. Some people just do every single trade. I know like Joven. Joven kills it. He'll go aggressive and patient. He'll just go hit every single candle, which is fine. But I just gotta be close, guys. That's all. That's just me. That's a nasty wick. All right, let's check out U-Chef. This one's a little different right now. We're doing a lot of spiking. U-Chef. U-Chef should be dropping too. U-Chef and ACAT. ACAT. There we go. ACAT looks pretty good. But U-Chef. Might play AED Cat, guys. Yeah, AED Cat. Alright, go to AED Cat. Wait for this candle to end. We're gonna get on the next one. We got a minute to this close, and then we're gonna get into the next candle. See how snug that is up there? We want that position right there. We want that one. Like, if I lost, I'll lose that one all day. That's a good position. They spike you. They don't want to spike you. HFS got spreads too. They come get you. All right, 15 seconds left. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna wait a minute. Let them do what they gotta do. Set your fixed time for 3 minutes. There we go. Pull on back. All right, I'm putting, guys. Putting at the yellow line. I'm doing 3 minutes there. And they want to keep pulling. Oh my gosh, killing me. This is why I'm not trading Forex. People getting crushed right now in Forex. All these pullbacks. It's trap day, guys. NFP trap day. If you hit that, if you know you're hitting that one, bam, you hit that one too. That red line, the bloodline.
Yo, boy, you might have to start spitting on this one, dude.
Oh boy, don't start rapping.
I used to pray for times like this. Don't be like that, man.
I'm just looking at what they did here. They did some nasty moves. We got about a minute. Man, they did some nasty moves here. They gave what you wanted. They just pulling. Got a minute left, guys. Minute left. Don't mind my screen. I'm just seeing what they did over here. AD Cat. Nice drops. There you go. Looks good. Looks good there. It didn't do too bad. All right, we got a minute on this candle. Come on, man. We got a minute on our timer. Let them pull on down. Hope they don't hang us. We need to be below the yellow line. They spiked us out on UJ. Don't spike me out on ACAT. Also, guys, if I lose like 4 in a row, like if I lose like 4 in a row, you know what I'm saying, I got a timeout. Usually I use like timeout. I don't quit. I just time out for a minute. I know some people like, oh, I'm done. Like, nah, because I play like it's like 20 candles I play, you know. So that's what it is. That's how we play HFX. That's why it's like it's trade at your own risk. It's have the account for it. It's HFX. That's all. All right, 8 seconds. Spikes down. All right, gonna play 5-minute candles. All right, it's 0-2, guys. So we got 1, 2. Came down 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull back. They're gonna keep ranging on us. We're gonna play the full length of 5 minutes. I don't want to, but we're gonna have to. It's long. It's pretty long. I hate waiting for HFX 5 minutes, but we're gonna have to play it long because they're ranging on us. So let's wait a minute. See that pullback they're doing to us? See that pullback? That pullback nasty. They keep pulling on us. Nasty pulls. Nothing you can do about that. Sideways. Going sideways on us. You can't fight that. Let's see what we got over here. They're gonna make us pause, so they're gonna make us exit the trade, so we can't play no more. So when they close over that red line, we're done. That means they're done. They're gonna keep on ranging out. So guess what you do? You go to the next one and you wait. You 2 and 2. You hitting it. I hear you. Yeah, I'm just playing one position. I'm playing conservative with y'all right now. Sorry though. It's only 0 and 2. Ain't even that serious. Some of y'all just went like 85 and 6 this week. You know what I mean? Freaking Joven went 50 and 10.
Damn, Joven.
Yeah, he went 50 and 10. Yeah, I think yesterday I went 10 and 0, and then the day before I went 7 and 3. Wasn't too bad. There was a lot of pullbacks that day too, into there, like today. We just gotta wait for something to pull up. It's a lot of, see this consolidation right here? It's kind of hard to play in this, so we can't play this right here. Same thing with AUD CAD. We'll zoom out and look at it for a second. That's what it's doing to us. Just gotta be patient on that, that's all. See that consolidation right here, bam, and just is raining down on us. So ideally, when this closes over, you're done playing until they throw you something else. So if they throw it to you again, then you can start playing again. So they can close over this line, throw you some sauce, and they can go back in that direction. But we can't play it now because they didn't give us anything until they close over it and they give us something, we good. Otherwise, it's gonna go in the opposite direction, and they'll just keep on just going up and down. That was last on UJ2. Look at GCAT. Look at that thing dripping. CR and GCAT. So if you were playing this, looking good. That aggressive entry right here, they might not give you the all the way back. So you can play that pull back. So these are all clears. But see this aggressive entry right here. All right. Yeah, it might not pull back all the way. So it might just go ahead, open up, and then just drop. You know. So it's all about preference, guys. How you want to play it. I'm pretty conservative when I play. That's all. I'm patient. I'm not in no rush. Because there's sometimes I double up at the yellow. I'll double up, hit my 2, bam, bam, and I let it rock. And then I'll come up, I double up, bam, bam. So I double up on mine. Eurocat, all dripping, everything dripping, just giving you no chance. on USD. CAD J. We doing on CAD J anything? Nothing on CAD J. NZD. Not bad on NZD. Looks pretty good. It closed over, came back out. Bam. Came back out, came back out. It's not bad.
Hey, bro, can you look
They got a pullback coming, so we won't get stuck in that thing.
Euro GBP? Can you look
I
at
can't
Euro
hear what you're
GBP?
saying. Yeah.
Oh, never mind. That's consolidation.
Yeah, white, yeah. You got space, but it's consolidating.
My bad.
Got space though,
I
it's just
pulled back and
consolidating, yeah.
saw it. My bad.
No, that's good. That pullback is actually not bad. They just about there, they consolidating crazy though. Dang. That's what I mean, guys. Trap day. That's what they get you. Let's see. We need a good setup that'll keep us rolling. We need a good runner. We get the good setup. That's when we can play the candles like 10 candles in a row. We can keep going. But right now they're all pulled back. Euro AUD. AUD USD. Let's see this one right here. This is not bad. It's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Jeez, how we missed that one? What time was this? Dang. How many guys been playing HFX lately? Y'all been on it? I've been playing it all week. I just figured I'd try to come on Trap Day and play. Trap Day a little rough. We got a counter trend move here. Got a counter trend move down to this white line. But I'm not taking that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Nope. Not enough. If they can form this right here, we're good on Euro GBP. They're consolidating, but they can form up here, they're good. They got a lot of consolidation. Just gotta wait. Who playing Forex this morning? Anybody playing some pairs? What y'all in? I know y'all in something. What y'all in? Let's hear about it. Let me hear how y'all. What y'all in? What y'all going in? What y'all going hard and painting? You ain't said I'm in nothing. Y'all not in nothing? Nobody nothing? Oh, snap, find out y'all playing by y'all rules. Y'all ain't playing on certain days. I hear you. Oh man, slow morning on HFX, guys. They ain't giving us nothing to get into. I don't do the market structure, guys. I just do basically how I play, how I trade. That market structure stuff is hard because you don't know where that thing's going. At least I know why I win, why I lose, right? It's 0-2 though. Keep it conservative today for a minute.
Hey, bro, look at GA.
Like what?
At GA. That move that it just made, that we just missed. I don't even know how I missed that. Looking dead at it.
It's got a pretty good move here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got a good pullback coming though. If it gets in between this yellow and red, it'll be a good position. Just since it's not, you know, only play sauce off it.
Yeah.
But if it pulls back in between here, it'd be pretty good. Be a pretty good one right here. If we can get up in here. So let's see if they'll pull up in there. It's easy when you're playing Forex. That's different because you know you got you got some time, but here you're playing against the time. That's the hardest part. HFX, they spike you out. Let's see if they pull back in between the yellow and the red. If they get close to the aqua, that's even better. You guys see how the movement
Euro AUD just pulled back to the yellow too, bro.
All right. You guys see how the yellow line moves? Expense with the price, you know it moves with price. Nope, I don't like that one. Too much going on there. Like I said, I'm picky. I'll wait. I'll go 8 and 3. I'll wait a minute. I'm chilling. I ain't no rush. It is what it be, but I'm gonna get up in there. This one looks good though. I like this one. Set this for 3 minutes, guys. Fixed time. We'll wait for them to see what they're gonna do. They pull up between this aqua, we might be okay. All right, guys. I'm going 3 minutes. Now I'm putting this. And I'm gonna let them go ahead and do what they do. Get as close as they can to that yellow line. They can pull though to this aqua right here. All right, probably only play sauce though, but they can pull up here. But they got a good. It's a good playing with the trend. They already corrected, so let it be. If I get rocked on this one, I'm gonna wait a minute. These pairs is out of control today. I played gold last night. I was busting. On gold.
Man, I fell asleep and missed my doggone entry.
I was in it. We need that candle to start turning red. That's how we know we got a solidified win. We need that thing to start turning red and pull on down. When it starts turning red, we got a pretty good win. But we are dead on the EMA, so it's not a bad entry right here. Just these are the entries you're gonna see. These are the entries you gotta go with. You know? You got textbook entry right there. You're right on it. So you got a minute 35 on this.
James came on camera with us, man. What's good, James?
How y'all doing?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We be chilling. I'm about to make this fun. Y'all quiet. Y'all already know how I get down. I see Tay in here, Neon in here. Y'all know how I get down.
Yo, we got a minute left. Oh, let's get this one. Let's go at least. Let me get 1 and 2 at least right now, man. It's been a slow morning. I need some sauce. They ain't throwing nothing for me. Oh, now they want to throw when I'm already in something. All right. Let's keep this 1 minute. We gotta keep on rolling. Don't spike us out. There we go. We should be good now.
She dropped
We
it.
getting there. Now we're good. Now we're rolling. We got 40 seconds left. I mean, we pinned to the EMA. So as long as they don't give us a nasty spike, we good to go. That happened to me yesterday 4 times.
On what pair?
I was like, you gotta be kidding me. GP CHF. 4 times in a row. I was like, you got to be freaking kidding me. I was getting so mad.
Think left brain, not right brain.
Alright guys, we should be a dub on this one. Alright, good job on this. If you cleared this, we should be cleared. And 3, 2, 1, we are golden. We're not gonna play that one because they are far from they're pretty far. We're not gonna play that one, but we got that one right there. We're not gonna play this one again because it's too far. Let's look at we gotta wait for some sauce. So we played this right here because it's in this direction, but they got a pullback coming, and I don't like all that. Now if they pulled back up here and we took it down, that's fine, but they got a pretty good pullback coming, so we'll take that dub right there. What's that? 1 and 2, guys? Alright. So let's go ahead and almost break even. And then let's find a good pair we can keep running on. The beauty about the strategy I have, you can play any pair anytime. You can go through every single pair and just keep playing every candle. That's the beauty about it. You don't have to be stuck on one pair. But we gotta find the actual sauce on these. That's why we have the alert. So your GP, what it called? I ain't gotta work too hard. Yeah, see, it's. But if you ever see sauce though, you can play it on. You can play 15 as well. You can come up here and play 15 minutes, and you can go ahead and stay in the trade. It's pretty cool though. 15 minutes, you ain't gotta worry about nothing. You walk away, you gonna profit. If you're not, you know what I mean. You just don't win it. But it's easy. 15 minutes, just walk away from the computer. And you just can't look at the trade. But now you can exit, right? Well, you can close it, but I mean, you can close negative. Well, you can just let it ride. GCAD. What does GCAD do? Let's go back to GCAD. Pulling back. So some of these pairs are gonna start pulling back. All right, yeah, they're gonna. If you can see, they're gonna start pulling back, which is a good thing for us. So that means some of you guys that are around like a couple hours, if you're hanging out, that's what you get to do. I mean, play HFX. And a good way to not like go into your Forex account, guys, is to play. You know, if you like HFX, trade demo or trade live, but a good way that I take away my impulse from trading I take away my impulse from trying to trade Forex is I'll trade HFX. I get my fix out of it because it's trap day and I don't want to lose anything in my Forex account much, but I understand the risk in HFX, so you know I get that. But risking your Forex account, you know how that is. You start losing everything. A cat.
Understand. Risking on an HFX.
You said
It's
what?
like, hold on, I got some feedback. All right, is this fair? So you're saying risking on HFX on trap day is equal to risking on FX on on trap day?
Yeah, I mean, so trap day, like I don't like to go on my real account. Like on trap day, I'll play like maybe I'll do 2 trades and they'll be at like 1%. But I'll come here like Monday and Fridays and I'll just trade HFX the entire time, and I'll just continue going and going and going. But it takes away that impulse of trying to play Forex on trap day and losing your money versus HFX is already high risk, so you know what you're trading. Like I could trade $1 on this account every single time and feel okay. You know, if I got smacked, if I got smacked, it's okay, but it's $1. You know what I mean? So versus you in the Forex market and you're losing, $70, $80. So it's just, but this is trap day and they're gonna give you good moves, so you have a better chance of winning because the way they're pushing down or they're pulling up, so there's gonna be a lot of spiking. But yeah, it takes away my impulse of trying to trade trap day. So every morning on trap day, I come in here and I just trade it. So that's why I invite you guys on. I was like, hey, look, I'm playing trap day, but I'm trading HFX right now. It's just hard to play Forex pairs on trap day, man. It's irritating. Then you get stuck in the trade. You get stuck for like hours. You're just stuck and stuck and stuck. So I'm just waiting for some sauce to pull back, guys. Nothing's pulling back. So when they throw a sauce, that's how I know they pull back. But this is actually pretty good right here. This might be all right, ACAD. They might actually give us a chance to get back in this. Yeah, I saw ADCHF too. Let me check that one. I saw that one too. Oh yeah. Yeah, they're pulling back. They got a nice run though. That's a good run. They killed that. They had a nice run. A lot of these pairs moved when we were sleeping. But I might do. I did see one trade that would get you guys in and out for the day for like profits on Forex. But I just do one play. I'm out of there. I'll do my click account. Yeah, 0GBP is consolidating, so we can't play that one. All right, let's look through. Let me see something. We at least go and break even on this mode. At least break even on here. At least. Sorry, you go 2 and 2. It's all good. They just being slow. They ain't doing nothing for us. But a good time also is that the next hour, like between 5 to like 9, 5 to 10, it's a pretty good time to play though. So if you ever try to play the strategy, 5 to 10 is amazing. You get some volume, especially on your section. You get some pretty good volume. But you're gonna have to take the aggressive entries though. Like as soon as they open the candle, like set your candle for 4 minutes. As soon as they open, 4 minutes. As soon as they open, bam. Or 4 minutes 30 seconds. As soon as they open the candle, bam. So you want to set it for candle closure. I set it for like 3 minutes because it takes them like 2 minutes to pull back, and I'm always waiting for the pullback. So that's why I set mine for 3 minutes, because it takes them 1 to 2 minutes to pull back. So when they pull back, I'm in there. I feel better. No volume there. HF is good though. I just need some. It's actually good. It's just gonna be having some pullbacks. Gotta be careful on these pullbacks. They no joke. They spike you.
Hey, bro, you trying to wait for ACAD to kind of pin to the aqua? You waiting for ACAD to pin to the aqua?
No, I was waiting for them to yeah, if they pin to the aqua, they can pull back down here. If they do. If they pin to the aqua, then I'll take it down. They reject a lot of times up here. But I need them to right now, I need them to just throw something. Right now they're just going ahead and up and down. I'm just flipping to see what's actually gonna pull back and form so we can actually catch it on the money. I gotta beat the alert. They're just pulling back and forth, consolidating. All this consolidation, you can't really play that. I mean, you can 1 minute. You can go 1 minute and play it, but you got a high risk of being spiked out real fast. Your NZD.
I'm good on that.
Yeah, I know. I was tired of being spiked out. That's the only thing, you get spiked out so much.
Yep.
Nothing on there. NZD. Nothing. USD. I can tell by what they're giving us. All J. Yeah, they're giving us a. They might do it for us. They're giving us a counter trend right here, which we only need space. We only need some space, which is we're playing its time, so we got some time to hit up this right here. But it also can come back down. We know that. Let's see what they do. If they can go ahead and form sauce right here, because this is a PBIC sauce right here, which I'll learn next week. This is PBIC. So if they form this, pull back. Well, the TP technically will be to the white line. So on the 5 minute. So we only need time. So it'll be that what, 3 minutes to get up here? 4 minutes to get up here? Let's see what they do. They'll close. And they'll probably call it. So the alerts, they call it as if I was going to take the trade. So you should probably hit alert. If this thing hit up, it should probably go. I would take this, so it definitely should alert us. So let's see what they do. But we want them to pull back though. We want them to actually pull back because we are counter trend right now. This is what the trend right here. Real move, fake move. The real move down here, fake move. But we're inside the correction, so this thing is actually trying to pull to correct. We're in the correction zone right now, so we just want to make sure that we can see what they're gonna do. All right, we got 2 seconds. See if they pull back at least to this yellow to red line, and we'll set it. There you go. Pull on back. We want that red line now. That's safer because we're counter trend right now. We're in the middle of what they call this correction right here. Now they could just go ahead and drop, which is, you know, they could just go ahead and drop and shift off the aqua, which is a bounce, which is expected. I would expect it to do this. But we're playing against time, so. And Forex, I wouldn't take this one. But HFX, I would, because we're playing against time. But I want them to pull back to this red line now, so I want to wait a minute. Just because we're counter trend. So guys, definitely play with the trend. Don't kill your account trying to be like, oh, I see it, and then it pulls back on you. Play with the trend. If it pulls back to the red, we got a better chance. But we are counter trend. So we playing against the EMAs, you're counter trend. All right, there we go. See how they're doing that? Let's give them some more time. See if they go past it. They go past it. Let's give them like 50 seconds. Nope. See, there we go. See how that works? See how that works? So now we're not gonna play it. So now they did was we wanted originally want them to pull here and then pull back up. But again, we're against the trend. So like I said, they have the opportunity to come up here in the correction. They don't have to. And then what they do is they'll shift off this aqua and they'll just continue to go. So they got the real move over here, fake move, which is the pullback. They'll come to the correction to hang some traders, and then they shift off the aqua. And when they shift off the aqua, they're coming right back down to this rejection area or to that low to pass it, to try to. But you just gotta be courteous with that. So if you played it, you good. If not, you know, you just gotta wait. You gotta be waiting for it. I want to, but it's too risky on this. It's too risky. Would I play it alone? Yeah, I'll play it alone. But I'm not gonna risk y'all going counter trend. But I want y'all to see how that plays because I know some of y'all play this and you're gonna be back testing it. So I want you to see how that works. So you want to get the EMAs, definitely understand that you're counter trend. But yes, you clear this and it comes back up. The TP is actually to the white line on Forex. So the TP will be to the white line. So if you wanted to set this for 15 minutes, it would come up here to the white line and be 15 minutes. So just be waiting on it. So if you took it, you're good to go. I didn't take it, but if you took it, you're good to go. All right. And then, but I'm not going to take that on this right now. But I want to show you guys that. Show y'all all the good moves. Show you all the good moves.
Hey, real quick, I don't know if you said it, maybe I missed it. You said that is that considered sauce? What it kind of threw you right there?
Yeah, this is sauce. This is
Okay, so that is
PBIC. Yeah,
sauce. All right,
this is sauce. Yeah. Yep.
PBIC.
Yep, that's sauce. But it's only gonna alert for the best one. So like obviously I didn't alert because we weren't trying to play the counter trend. We're trying to play it with the trend. So, which is a good call. You know what I mean? Would I take it? I probably would right away if I'm playing, you know, real quick, 1 minute or something. But not on this. I gotta be conservative for a minute. AUDUSD. Let's see what they did for us. See, yeah, it's the same thing. They're ranging as well in the correction. This is when they start consolidating. So when you see them inside the EMAs, they start consolidating. And this close. This is way too close. This isn't like, you know, up here a little bit. They don't have no target. This is consolidation. So right now they're doing this. This is called a fake out. They got they pinned them up here on this time frame. And you already know what happens if they don't take out this high right here. You know what happens. On this time frame, they're gonna come down and shoot. Same thing on what AJ we just saw. Same thing on AJ. Yeah, same thing on AJ. So EMAs are in the way. They pulled up. It is now still 5. They pinned them up here. First high, and then look what they did. They didn't even break the second high. So second high is right here. First high, second high. You already know what happens. You already know what happens when they shift down. Bam. First high, second high wasn't taken out. It's gone. So that's why you gotta be cautious. That's why the TP is to the white lines. So because they take them out, they'll take them out and they'll pin them up here, hit your TP, and then they'll shoot down again. So all the market makers, man, all the market makers. But good learning lesson, guys. We're still 1-2 though. It's a good learning lesson to check this out. I'm gonna give y'all one Forex though. I did see one Forex pair. I do kind of like it, so I'm planning to click it. But we're gonna wait for a little bit more than this. I'm gonna wait like 15 minutes. So we're gonna wait like 15 to 20 minutes. I want to see what else they're gonna give us, just in case. But right now, AD not giving us anything. I'll wait 20 minutes. So wait a couple more moves. Maybe we can go ahead and break even. And we're gonna do some HFX sessions all February. We're gonna kill this thing. But today's trap day though, so expect it. You know, when I get into the market on trap days, I expect to get rocked. I know I'm not supposed to be in the market. I know this, so I can't even be mad if I lose. HFX different, but Forex, I know I cannot be in the market. All right, G Chef, see what you're doing. Nope. We got sauce on NZD CAD, but it's gonna be on the 15th. So let's check it out. NZD CAD. I'm just checking this out, guys. Want to see something? Nope. 5 minute already took off. So don't forget, you guys can play these time frames too, though, if you see it. They give us nothing. Nothing. Giving us nothing.
Hey man, you gotta turn that jam up. That used to be my joint.
Yeah, no, nice. That beat's dope. They might range out on us, guys. They might not give us anything. A lot of these pairs are pulling back. I just seen gold pull back from 1794. It hit my TP and then it pulled all the way back. So these 80 pairs about to pull. Oops, my bad. But definitely, the alerts gonna keep going though. So definitely check them out and keep playing them. It just give us a slow morning. That's all. Give us a slow morning. Give us real slow. We missed all these moves back here in the A range at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. So how it runs though in February, I usually do HFX. I play like I'm actually up really early. So how I play my actual like how my day goes honestly is I get up in the morning and I play from HFX from 3 to 5. That's usually what I play normally. So my normal schedule is 3 to 5 HFX, and then I usually run a Forex session 5 to 6. So the normal Forex sessions were actually 5 to 6, but I did 3:30 to 5 because the volume of Forex was kind of like slow at 5 o'clock, and it was pushing more at 3. Well, when after February or in February, middle of February or end of it, when the market starts to trend, those times are gonna flip. So I'm gonna be up from 3 to like 7 actually trading straight up full on trading. So I'll be trading HFX. And then I'll be going right into Forex. So that's just how my day goes. After I'm done, 10 a.m., I'm from 3 to 7 most of the time.
Chilling for the rest of the doggone day, doing nothing.
Yeah, and then I do NDC games at the New York session. So I'll do NDC games, play NDC games. So I do a lot of trading. I do a lot of trading, then I'm done. After 10 a.m., I'm done, guys. I'll do NDC games 9, like 9:30, 9 o'clock. That's it. That's all she wrote. I'm out of the market 10 in the morning. I'm out of there. Got nothing there for me.
Laughing at me when I'll be over here working.
It's all good. That's just my day. Ain't nothing exciting. I'm working.
Tell y'all what this man do. He'll call me talking about something. Man, I'm so busy paying people out with these funded accounts. Man, get out of my face, man. I'm over here talking to people with interviews and stuff.
I gotta make sure everybody gets paid, right? I really like gonna be slow, guys. So we'll just take it. It's all good. We wanted to. All right, we wanted to. How many of you guys learned something? Let me know if y'all learned something today on this. You know, it's something y'all wanted to play. Let me know if y'all learned something. If y'all good, it's all good. Cash App. I look at Cash App, Neon. I look at it. I didn't see it respond. My bad. If y'all learned something on this, it's all good. Definitely, it's a learning moment on this. It's slow. It's really slow right now, guys. I ain't gonna lie, it's slow. Me and Joven was like, he went 50 and 10 this week. I went 72 and 12 now. We was rocking it. It's just, and some people went 85 and 6, and then I think is Kaylin on here? Kalen went like 21-4. So I mean, it's been a good week of playing. This trap day just hanging. It was a good week though. Where's Cat Chef? Am I blind? There it goes. Well, I just saw it and whipped on me. I think the volume just switched on me. There we go. Cat Chefy. I don't see nothing on there. Yeah. So I'm looking for on this guy's a sauce. I don't look for any of this pull the shift because shifts when they come down, they pull back and they can pull all the way up here. That's why we don't play these moves. We play the sauce moves only. So you see sauce, you play in that direction. See how you have space. So this right here is the correction right here. This is the correction. So when it breaks up in here, you guys learn this next week. So when they break this correction right here, and inside this whole correction in between the aqua and the white, that's a correction. So you just gotta be alright. Well, you know it can go there. Anything you play is gonna be to this white line. If it exceeds it, that's a full correction. So this is a good play. Pulls back. All right, you play it, and then you lost it, but you come back outside the yellow line. You continue playing, but it's just a gamble playing with the correction. But that's a correction, and then it's a full reversal. And then it did it again, correction, and then full reversal. But that's on the 5 minute. Everything's fast. Every time frame has a correction. Every time frame has a reversal. All right, what NHFX? I'm gonna give you guys 3 trades on Forex. This thing's slow right now. Nothing's happening. So let's look at Forex. I'm 1-2. Some of y'all probably got some better position than me, but it's okay. But I'm okay with posting that. I got 1-2. Not a bad day. Let me see something. All right, let's look at some Forex real fast. I'll get you guys some good gains for a minute. Let me hold off on that for a second. Look at these trash charts. Nah. All right, look at something fast. Let's see. So we have some moves on gold. So it's NFP day, guys. So NFP is gonna be at 8:30. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna let them take it. We're gonna let them take out everybody right here. We're gonna let, in the event they drop, we're gonna take out everybody. So let's see. Let them take them all out. Take them all out. All right, we're gonna let them take them all out. We'll make sure we get in now. We're gonna let them take them out. We might be able to be safe to even put them up here. Let's see. Take out all these stop losses up here. Perfecto. Take out all those stop losses. We even probably do. Let's do 88. 1787. 87. Nope. Hold on. 1787. 1787. Let's say 60. Make sure we actually get in the trade, just in case they don't. Profit goes. All right. Let's let them take out all these stop losses. You just make sure we're good. Hop up here. Yeah. Yep. Let me take out all those stop losses. We probably can move ours up a little bit. All right, cool. So 1783. All right, let them take out all those stop losses. Let them get rocked. Stop losses are coming. They might drip. They're throwing some sauce though. All right, so we're gonna do a buy limit, guys. Buy limit on this. $87. It should be 60. Hold on. We'll make sure we actually get into the trade. This case, they just take. Look at that tight stop. That thing's tight, so it's right there. So it's 1783 is the actual stop loss. I might do. Let's do 17. How far is this right here? How far is this? This is 80. Let's check. Let's check. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. We should be good. I'm not looking for this drawdown at all. Not looking for that drawdown at all. 1783. Let's back it up. Let's just be careful. 1781. We need some. They're gonna spike. They're gonna spike on us. 81. All right. 1781. There we go. 1787. 60. Stop loss. 1781. TP. 1787. 1790. All right, bam. That's your buy limit on gold. We're gonna run this train. Try to smack this thing today. If you want to take it, smack it. Why not? It's NFP day. We do got some rejection. We do have some rejection. So if you see it at like 17, like 88, around that area, I mean, you can take it in this area. Don't want to be too far, but the best part is right here. It's still really, really strong. Like, it's still spike. So I believe it still can hit us right here. Even if you moved it up, it's fine. But just I would leave it where it's at, 1787.60. But in the event it don't, yeah, be careful there. Yeah, we could be good there. That stop loss is calculated, is good to go. But we got a pretty good risk reward. So let it just go ahead and spike us and come back up. 1787.60 is the entry. How far are we right now? Let's see. We're not that far. We're about 30 pips away. Let's check it. Let's do 17. I want to make sure we get into this trade. I don't want it to miss this. Hold on. I don't want it to miss this. Then we should be alright. Let's do 17. You can change yours to 1788 if you can. Let's see. Hold on. No, you can't. No, we're good. Yeah, keep it there, guys. So if you see 1788 and it's right there, you're good to go on there. So if you see it like 1788 in your broker, 1787.60 is gonna be the buy limit pending. But if you see it 17 like 88, let's see, 88. Yeah, 1788. If it gets to 1788, go ahead and click the button. So that's what I'm putting out right there for gold. All right. The Goldmeister. I like that trade. I like the stop loss. I like the way it looks. I like the reversal happening. I like all that. They might not. They got the reason they have an option to take out that low right here, so they might take this low out. So if they take this out, you gotta be mindful of it. They take that out, so they can come down, and bam. Let's see. Our entry should be right at it. Right up. Yep. So they shouldn't take it out. So it should be almost equal. They should pin it and take off. So we just gotta be patient. They should pin it. See, they'll pin it. I'm gonna keep it here. Keep my stuff there. You know I'm taking it. You know I'm gonna take it. All right, so let's look it out in the higher time frame. Let's see if we can get a buy stop, right? Let's go ahead and run it. We'll wait. We'll wait on that one. Keep what we have there. All right, let's check out NAD or US 30. If gold goes up, US 30 drops, right? Just about. It's about to pull down in a minute. Getting ready to get that pull down in a minute. That TDI ain't playing. That TDI is not playing. For a hundo. All right, dirty 30, guys. Wait for the sell limit. Wait for it to come back up here. Yeah, we want that thing to come back up here for a minute. It's ranging out pretty good. We should at least hit some profit before they actually turn around on us. So let's see. Stop loss is pretty tight. Stop loss is pretty tight. We could probably even bring it in some more. They might miss us. We're gonna keep it right. Keep it right there. Sell limit. Let it come to you so it can pitch you in. Alright, that's dirty 30. And of course we'll find NAS 100. Do all the indices today. That's the only thing that's gonna really move an NFP. Everything else is gonna stall, everything else is just gonna fall. It's gonna end up rolling. End up rolling down. Alright. And we'll look at NAS 100. Alright, NAS 100. Gold is gonna take off on us. We might enter gold early. So we'll look in a minute. Oh, my bad. Good looks. Alright, and then I think gold might take off on us earlier. It might take off on us earlier. It might not reach this, but keep it there. It might not reach us. I'll be looking at it, so you'll see some gold trades come out today, guys. You'll see some. You already know that's happening. Only thing I play on NFP or Fridays is, y'all know, this gold. I'll play gold. I'll play a little bit US 30, but gold. I'm playing gold all day long. All day long. Alright, we got US 30 NAS 100. Let's take a look. NASDAQ. But I'm leaving that pending there because it's NFP, so they might just drop. They're gonna drop on us. Alright, NAS. I like NAS doing this. Let's see. Let's take this thing right here. Let's wait for this pullback to happen. It should be the 1 minute aqua right here. Bow, just like that. Pull back to the 1 minute aqua. I dare you to. That's our target right there. Sniper entries. That's what it's all about. Sniper entry is what it's all about. All right, buy limit on NAS 100 is real tight. Actually, hold on, I'm gonna see something fast. Just a little bit. All right, buy limit on this one. On NAS 100. Let that thing come to us. Let it pull back to that 1 minute aqua. 15.802. Oops. We got a ratio of 1 to 4, so that means take us all the way into about 15 into almost intraday. Yeah. Yep. It should. So if we get that pull, we're good. So be patient on it. Let it come back. It's gonna come back. Trust me, it's coming back. There ain't no way now it's not testing right there. There's no way it's not coming there. I'll be very surprised. They just took off from there. I don't see them just straight take off yet. I see them coming back to us though. Nice sniper entry right there, guys. Not looking to lose all that. I'm not looking. They already took out this high up here, so I'm not looking for them to come down and just take off. Looking for them to come test it and then boom, continue the trend. Remember, if they take out this high, they're looking to continue that directional trend or consolidate. And they can consolidate on my entry all day because my stop loss is there and it's all good to go. They want to pull back to my entry and think about if they want to go up, cool with me. Let it happen. But now they'll pull back and then they'll take off. So risk low, 1% of your account. Nothing crazy. Alright, I'm gonna re-look at gold real fast. Gold through some nasty wicks. Alright, so quick entry on gold. In the event it don't hit us here, That's the other one here. I'm not gonna hit a sell because I'm not gonna mess with the sell on it. But I'm looking for this correction to happen. So it is NFP day. NFP they just like to do their thing. Alright, so we're gonna watch that one. Bam. So we got 2 entries. We got the sacred. So if it hits our stop loss, we got our entry here. It just means that we were too short. But we're in 5 minute here. Pretty good. What's this say? Risk rewards 1 to 8, which is fine. 100 pip move. I'll take that 100 pip move versus I think it's a 40 pip stop loss around there. A little less. Yeah, so yeah, we're good. So let that be. Just because they rejected, they're gonna hang. What's this? 6 o'clock in the morning, so 6:30. Yeah, they're gonna hang a little bit, which is alright. That's what gold do. US 30. Did they pull up on us yet? Nope, still missing this. See what I'm saying? Come on, 30. Stop playing. Yeah, keep it there, guys. Keep it there. Keep it right here so we can pull down. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those buy limits there. I do expect it to hit that back to 90. I do see 90 hitting again and then coming back up. It's trying to break these key levels, especially on this time frame. Once it breaks this right here, it's gone. On this time frame, when it hits this, it's out of there. It'll pull back, throw some more sauce, hit this 15-minute, and you already know. You already know what it's about to do. But if it drops, oh my goodness, somebody get paid. Somebody can get paid. But it's all good. We seen gold come down here one day and come back the next day. And come back the next couple hours the same way. So it's no big deal. But we got our independence there. US 30 looks good. We got all of our volatile pairs up. US 30 looks pretty good. It's not a bad trade at all. Take your money when you get to it, but let's just be careful. It missed us. Are you seriously just missed us? It's seriously missed us. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, keep it there, guys. Keep it there. Don't change it. Keep it right there. You gotta be kidding me. Literally just missed us. All right, hold on. Let me see something. There's 23 seconds. They might throw a sauce here. We might be able to scalp this thing for a minute. Throwing it on the aqua. Let's see what they do. Got 12 seconds. Let's see what they do. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna scalp this thing. Well, hold on, let's see if they pull back a little bit. We can scalp it 15-minute trade on US 30. See if they pull back a little bit. Alright, I'm selling US 30, guys. I'm selling US 30. Alright, we got 15 minutes to be in profit. 15 minutes to be in profit. I'll get you a stop loss in a minute. 15 minutes to be in profit. Minutos. All right, let's see here. All right. Spread times 2. US 30 spread, no joke right now. Alright, good. That looks good to me. Alright. Stop loss 36, 3, 2, 1. TP 36246, but also 36279, 36277. All right, should be good, guys. Control C. That'll be in profit in 15 minutes. I didn't do it. All right, why am I not able to paste this? Come on, man. There we go. Remember, you can take your profits whenever you want. Remember that. Whenever you want to take them. All right. But this is the TPs. Gotta be in profit in 3 candles or less. If you want to take your profits, you can. I know some of you guys play different lot sizes. So I'm just clicking in and out. It's all good. 36276. All right. So when it gets to that point, I'm gonna make it risk free. I'm gonna let it do what it do. So we're gonna wait a minute, see what they do. We got 15 minutes being profit, so we have about 14 and a half minutes being profit. And we just wait. So we got, is the red candle bigger than the blue? Is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? Is the aqua gray or our blue line or a gray line above? Yes, it is. We got no blue line. Where's our blue line at? Where's our 800? Way up there. All right, so we know it's way up there. And do we have space for profit? We got plenty of space. Take the trade. Wait for it to do its due. Spread times 2. TP's 1 and 2. All you do is sit back, relax, and chill. Wait for it to happen. Stress-free trading. Stay in profit. Now, I said if you want to take it, I know some people play a 0.2 or a 0.4 on these because you got big accounts and you already up like 500, which is, got it. Take your money. It's all good. But I just let it play out. So I gotta make sure that I'm good on my rules. Cause I journal everything. Cause if we're not in profit in 3 candles, it's gonna go the other way. It's gonna come up here, hit this pending. Watch, which is why my stop loss is right there. But the first TP, or your risk-free zone right here, is gonna be 36,276. So when it gets there, it's pretty good ways away. Because you see these rejection levels right here. Pretty good rejection level right here. I don't call them, I wouldn't say support levels because support levels, they're strong, they're real strong. They like down here or way down there. So they mostly, we call these rejection levels. This price right here rejected, these wicks are rejection. But TDI looks good, guys, so let's just see what it'll do. This thing should shoot down. Let's take the 1 minute. So 1 minute's gonna, if this don't reject, then it's different, but it should reject. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutos. Gold is going up right now, so this thing should shoot down. But my spread is crazy though. My spread's out of control. US 30 doing some crazy things. How many of you guys liking your rules though? Some of you guys in the EMA bootcamp, how many of you like that? Like those rules, kind of like putting you at ease, kind of getting to the trade. You know what's happening. You're not like so anxious.
EMAs is all I use now, bro. Real talk.
Not so anxious. You're like, oh my goodness, what's going on? Like you just kind of like, all right, if I don't win this, I know what's happening. Just that's how I liked it. I know what's happening. If I win this, I know what's happening. I know where it can go.
No cap though, the EMAs really do take the stress. For me, it takes the stress out of trading just because I know what's happening. Like I know what to look for now.
That's good. That's good. We got 8 minutes, so my timer on too. My timer on. I had my timers on too, so we got 8 minutes though. Let it ride. You guys should be in profit, looking good. Like I said, if you got them accounts and you playing 0.2s and 05s, you should be looking pretty good. There's nothing wrong with making 50 bucks and exiting the market. Nothing wrong with that. Especially on NFP day. Like this thing right here could look great for us. Hit this risk-free zone, and then we say, oh, we're gonna take it to TP, full TP, and this thing just turns the opposite way in the blink of an eye. You know, so it's the way it is. But we got one of the best entries I could look at right now, besides that red line. Other than that, you got pretty good entry. So once it get risk free, we're gonna let it go. Got about 7.5 minutes. So we wanted to get risk free. So once you get risk free, I'm good. I'll be good. So when you get a little tip is when you get into the trade, make sure that you look for an entry point to where this thing can get risk free every single time. He's like, hey, where's my checkpoint? And the way to look at checkpoints is to measure out your pips. So if you see 60% of the move getting ready to happen, make your checkpoint 60% of your TP. Nothing wrong with that. And what you do is you scrape some money off the top of it. You do partial profits, and you scrape some money off the top. That's all. You scrape money off the top. You know, you got an 05 on there. Take a 03. Let the 02 ride. You know, let the 02 ride. You took some money. Put your stops in profit. Don't look at it again. No matter what. Guess what? If it stops you out, guess what? It stops you out in profit. You ain't nothing else to look at. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and make this thing risk-free. We are good on US 30. Make it risk-free, guys. Make it risk-free. All right. Take some money or take all of it. TP1 or your risk-free zone has been hit. Good job on that. How'd that feel? Let me see some 2s in the chat if that felt good. If that felt good. Because I know it felt good to me. Still feeling good. We risk-free. Put your stop loss at, if you want to go ahead and let it ride, 36,294. 36,294. 36,294. That's your new stop loss. 36,294. And letting it do what it do. There you go. Now you are good to go. And the reason I did that because it rejected twice here. Rejected once there, and it came here, and it all it had to do was meet up here. So maybe I was a little off on calculating the risk free, which is fine. But we right there. We like a pip. So we good. Let it ride. So I feel good. I feel good, man. Definitely does. This is risk-free trading, and that's 5 minute, guys. Remember I told you guys that 5 minute sauce is pretty fast. So usually when I'm trading these indices, I'm on the 5 minute, and I'm looking to see where they're throwing me sauce. And I said when they throw me sauce in that direction, I'm taking it. I mean, if I lose, I lose, but my stop loss is not crazy. It's like maybe 200 points, maybe 300 at max on the 5 minute, and at max on the 15, it's maybe 700 points, maybe. So if I'm in at 01, if I'm 10 cents per pip, I'm losing 70 bucks at max. You know what I mean? And you know, no matter how big your account is, like, it doesn't matter. These trades can go south. We already know that. So, but looks good though. It's a risk-free trade. Looks good. So we ain't gotta babysit that no more. You got your money off that. It looks good. Nice little 400. What's that? Little 400 point move. Just about 200 point move around there. It is what it is. It's 5 minute. Not looking for much, but you could do this all day. You can come to the 5 minute, get your trade. Oh, it looks good. Let it ride. Come to the 5 minute again. Get your trade. Let it ride. I'm gonna review it for you. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you how it looks like. Let me show you. All right. I get into this trade here. Short the market. There we go. Short the market there. TP's here. Boom. 1 and 2. All right. One trade. 1, 2, 3. Got red candle bigger than the blue. Red lines cutting through. Is the aqua doing what it do? White and the blue are above. We got space for profit. Boom. TP 1 hit. All right. Come back to the next one. What do they do again? They come over here. That's trade 1. All right. Pulls down. Get your TP. Guess what it does again? This is another sauce candle right here. You're gonna learn this next week. This is called an LL. Comes back here. Spread times 2. All right. And then you're gonna come up here. This is your entry right here. Right here by this little one. That's your entry. Spread times 2. TP's hit. That's part 2. All right, once that happens, guess what? You got no entry, so you gotta wait on it. Okay, so now you gotta wait. What do they do again? All right, they come here, and they don't throw you nothing. They throw you some buys, but you're not looking for buys because this right here don't add up. The blue candle bigger than the red. Red line's cutting through. The aqua is starting cutting through, but it's not below. We got EMAs in the way. You're not taking that trade, so you gotta wait. And that's what it does again. It throws you sauce. So you hit this thing 1, 2, 3 times. Let me get some ones if that makes sense. Because you followed your rules. You focus on one pair and you follow the rules. That's it. 1 trade, smash. 2 trade, smash. 3rd trade we're currently in right now, smashed. All because you follow simple rules. That's it. So that's how you rock with it. You'll be able to review this video though, so don't worry about it. You'll be able to see what happens. We got a lot going on. So this risk free, we're good. Gold is pulling up. If it stops you out in profit. So you got nothing to worry about. Alright, where's gold gonna go? Leave gold where it's at. Yeah, just leave it where it's at. Leave it where it's at. We got our profits on 30-30. We got our profits on 30-30. We all good. Nice trade on US 30 though. I like it. Anything I want to look at before we hop off though? Anything you guys want to look at? I'm gonna keep my gold buy limits. If I see anything different, I'll throw something out there. But I think we just destroyed 30 for a second. I got a little something out of there for sure. Before it starts pulling back. Hey yo, James, send me your TradingView username. And that ticket I sent you, just send me your TradingView username so I give you access to Vibe. Appreciate it.
My God.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. GPUSD. All right. Cool. GU. How I look at GU? Let's see. Look at GU. GU looking nice. All right, let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Wow, pinned them all the way down there. Oh, you already know what to do. You already know what to do on this. What they did, look. Entry right now. Bam. Entry's already here. 8 candle rule in effect. Absolutely right now. Bow. 8 candle rules in effect right now. Shift, bow. 8 candle rules in effect. Spread times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Boom. Wow, look at that. Spread times 2. Bow. First low. Second low. 8 candle rule. Pulls back. Boom. Spread times 2. Good to go. Trade look like this. Your 1 and 2 should come up to the next high. Let's see if it does. Yep, it comes up to that next high. Bam. So you know where this thing can hit. So you want to take that trade? That's where it's at right there. Let's see our stop loss. That's a nice one. Yeah, 8 candle rule. So let me show you something on this. All right, you guys, well, y'all 1, 2, 3, 4. Most of y'all in the EMA bootcamp. So this is how it works. A range. Let's count the A range. So you want the parameters? How you read this right here for the parameters when you're looking at it? Your TP is this green one right here, 36093. And your stop loss is a 35214. That's how you read that tool. So your stop loss is right here where that red tick is at, and the green tick is your TP. So if you want to enter it, go for it while I'm marking this up. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like coming out of the A range. So you have the A range. Starts at 1700. So 1700 on the 6th. 5 o'clock p.m. All right, and we gotta do 32 bars. They spit about 32 candles in the A range. Well, they do spit out 32 candles in the A range. Not about, they do. 32 candles, which is 32 bars. And we got to go ahead and we're going to box it up A range low to the A range high. And we got to make sure that it's actually 32 bars. All right, 32 should be in this box. All right, good, with 32 bars. Now, this is the A range high and the A range low. So this is what produces. That's why we trade. That's why we say this is a no trade zone, because this no trade zone. Look, you're not getting anything. You're getting what? How many pips you're getting? Let's see. In the A range, 20 pips. That's not worth going to sleep over and stressing and waking up. Oh, I'm gonna be red. That's not worth it. So that's why it's no trade zone. All right. So what they did was they pinned Timmy Johnson and Johnson family. They pinned Timmy Johnson and Johnson family down here. So they broke that low. They broke this low. This is the low right here. So we pull it up some. This wick right here is the low. So we see they broke that low. So we know we got the first low, which is the first leg. This is why I had you guys do your homework. This is how you see how I'm marking this up, and you're in profit when you do this. First leg. Now you can see it in action now. All right, they came back up. All right, they tested it, or they broke the key level. It's good, but they came back down because you already know you pinned down here. Because if they don't come back down here, guess what happens? They created a V. So you know if they don't come back down here, that they're just going to consolidate, right? They're just going to come back here and just boom, consolidate. Well, they came back down again, and they hit a second leg. They got a second leg here. All right, looks good. So now you have that second leg. Now they didn't crisscross in between here, which is a plus. They didn't crisscross, so we know that they might not have the opportunity to shift back down and take it out. So we can go ahead and solidify, like, hey, that's the second leg. I wouldn't even be mad about that. All right, I know it's NFP week, but hey, all right, second leg. And then you have your entry, which is where we're at now. Shift candle, and you enter it right here. Or you could enter at the shift, wherever you're at. So whether if we caught it early enough, we've been down here, but like 3 pips in profit, which is okay. But we got up here, we're okay, either one. So now all you do is take the trade, 8 candles or less. That's all you're doing. You gotta be in profit at 8 candles. If you're not up here in 8 candles, exit the trade. That easy, just like that. That's how you do it. So when you have that, this is why you guys marked up your this is why you marked it up. Let me get some ones if you understood it. That's what you did, because that's how you marked your homework up, just like that. And now you got 8 candles being profit. If you're not a profit, you exit the trade. There's no need to go through all that drawdown. Guess what? If you lost this trade, your minimum, your risk to reward goes to right here. 8 candle rule. By the time you get out and you hit your full KC, as you see it going around, you're looking like what? Maybe 9 pips. Let's check it. 9 pips, maybe. Maybe 9. Yeah, 9 pips, guys. Single digits. 9 pips. That's it. So that's how it is. So you can take this if you want it. 8 candle roll on this. So here's the stop loss TP. Stop loss 135. 214. TP. We're gonna go to full length. We're not gonna do a full length of it as well. It is NFP, so NFP day. So definitely take your money on this. You get your profits, take your money. Don't go crazy. NFP snatch you. But you got rules to this, so you know what happened. And you got the TDI telling you stay up in there, man. TDI, stay up in there. If you know TDI, you in there. All right, so your risk-free zone, your risk-free is going to be, we got 60 pip move, which was amazing. So that 1 hour might just keep you in there. So we're going to go ahead and make it risk-free at about 20, let's say 23 pips. That's 60% of the move. All right, 60%, or no, it's 50% of the move, 45% of the move. Yeah, we'll make it there. So 35,742. All right, so 35,742. You should be good. You should be safe. 35,742. I'm gonna rock with y'all. Oops, hold on. 35,24. 214. All right, here we go. 8 candle rule, guys. Don't go get your rules. You know what's happening. What's happening if we're not in profit? What happens if we're not in profit? Somebody let me know, so I know that you know what to do if you're not in profit. What happens if we're not in profit? What you know what this trade gonna do if it's not in profit?
Get out.
But why are we getting out? Why are we getting out though?
If it's not, you say if it's not a profit.
Yeah, if not in profit, why are we getting out?
And those can't. Oh, because it's gonna consolidate.
That's right. That's all I need to know. You know what to do. That's right. You exit. If you ain't in there, you exit. You out of there. Don't go through that drawdown. But you know it's trade and shoot. So the risk-free zone, guys, your risk-free is at TP1. So risk-free. It's gonna be 1.35, 742. So once it hits there, put your stops in profit. You are good to go. Let that trade ride. You guys should be good. It should hit risk-free. So I know I'm in profit right now. I know I'm about to smack GU for a minute. Looking good, guys. So let that ride. 1, 2, 3, all the way up here. Gotta be up here. Remember that. You know that this trade is not supposed to go that way. All right. You see how this looking? See how that's looking? Stay in the trade. Stay in that trade. Looking good. Stay in that trade. We know it come after these highs up here. And into the intraday time frame before the New York session, which is the next like 2.5 hours. We have plenty. And they're throwing us 1 hour sauce. So yeah, stay in this trade, yo. You might be in this trade for 3 hours. You about to have a 3 candle rule in 1 hour. It's cutting through that. It's cutting through that red. It's touching it. It's up in there. It's up in there. So you got. This thing should take off. This thing should take off. We're looking good. We did dirty 30 nasty. So we good. I like this trade. That's a good eye. GA. Look at GA. See, I got my. See, this is why y'all got me in the Clickit account. See, I said I wasn't gonna do that. Y'all got me in the Clickit account. GA. Let's see what GA giving us something. So I got a Clickit account for you, know. GA same. All right. So GA giving us V. Giving us a little touch off the aqua, which is nice. A little kiss off the aqua. I like it. Is the 5 minute gonna solidify this right here? It sure is. Alright. So we're gonna do a sniper entry. Sniper entries. I like it. Let me look at the intraday, make sure see where we can go. Ooh, that pullback looks nasty. Woo! That pullback looks nasty. We got nothing but space though. There is nothing. There we go. I'm about to say it's hitting some. It's hitting some. We got a nasty pullback. Let's see. There we go. I knew we had some more. Information over here. All right, so we got potential. All right, so let's check it out. We know that this thing can pull back to us. We know it can pull back to us. We know that. This is a nasty pullback right here. We don't want that pullback, but we know it can take off. That's an 80 pip pullback, right? They've already retested, and they gave you the move back here. They gave you the actual move you wanted was way back here, which was yesterday at 8, the A range. They gave you that move. So to fill this candle, we should be all right. We can play with the trend. Let's see what this 4 hour does. Yeah, it's a nasty pullback, guys. Nasty pullback. But this thing it's NFP week, so anything can happen. We already know that. So let's see, 15 minute. That's what we were entering on. Gotta look at all the possibilities, see where you can go. All right, so marking this up, how I would take this. And I would have a nice stop loss. So GA, I think GA is like 3, 4. 3 or 4 spread. So right underneath the aqua. Bam. That's where I'm at with it. I'm literally tight on there because of this pullback. This pullback right here is gonna pull back to the 1 hour aqua. This can pull back to the 1 hour aqua, and this thing can just shoot all the way down. But just no, you're not wrong for taking it. You're going with the trend. It's a plus. So that's what you got. Got your 8 candle rule, right? Bam. 8 candle rule in effect. Time down. Look at that risk to reward. Look at that tight. Look at that stop loss. You're not looking to come down here. You're looking to take off, right? So look how many pips we got. Oh my goodness, that's it. 33 pips. Too easy. You can even make it 35. And you can still put this up here. So you took it, you're good to go. So this will be my trade right here. So I would take this trade. I know my rules, so I'm good to go. So stop loss 1.89, 058, TP 1.90, 105. Just go to full length. Take your money when you see it, but go to full length on it. Boom. There you go. And that's how I roll. Now this will take you into intraday, which is fine, but this pullback to the 1 hour aqua is deadly. I'm not liking that. Just because I saw where the 1 hour is at, but this can fill everything. This can fill everything. It just continue going up. Remember that 1 hour it takes many 15-minute candles to fill it. You know what I mean? So that's all this. 80 pip pullback, just like we discussed. So remember, study your EMAs. Know where the pullback's happening. Know what each EMA is. All right, study that chart I sent. That chart is important. That's why you don't have to be afraid of pullbacks. Because if you exit, right, say you have to exit this and it gives you the entry, where can you take this entry to? What's your next TP on this entry? If this thing goes south and you exit and you rebound and get back into the trade, where can this go? Where will be your TP at? If y'all remember from class where I said you could take the TP.
Would it be the white line?
Correct. Take it to the white line. It's in the correction, so therefore you can take it. That's your first target right there. First target's 80 pips. So if it went south on you, I don't see it going south right now. I see it going up because I don't look at it going south. I look at it going up. But yes, if it went south on you, you had to exit. You know where your potential TP is going, where it's going. So you're good to go. It's all about how you're looking at it. So that's what I see on GA. I like GA as one of my pairs. One of my pairs I always play. It's consolidated the last couple like days though. If you zoom out, last week it consolidated badly. See that? So it caught me in this trash last 2 weeks. It caught me in this trash right here. I was caught trying to play this. I was like, yeah, I can't do this. It was killing me. And then it finally broke. So they made a fringe right here. And you can check this on your pairs too. They make a fringe. This consolidation on the aqua is called a fringe. When they make this fringe, now what they do is they break the fringe. So when they break that fringe for an hour and a half on these candles, let's go to the 15-minute. How about that? Because it'll all start on the 15-minute. And that's when you'll start actually playing your entry. Where's that fringe at? Here we go. All right, so you see the fringe. Yeah, it was catching people in this. Look at that. You can't do anything with this fringe. So when they break this for an hour and a half, you play everything up, just like that. So everything, when they break it for an hour and a half, when they pull it back, you play it up. You play everything up until they tell you to stop playing it. All right, so as you see, everything goes up after the fringe. They broke this high, or the high of the fringe, for more than an hour and a half, which is 6 candles. When they break it, everything goes up. That's all. And now what they're doing is they're just trending now, and now they're finally trending. But last week they hung some traders. So now they broke that fringe in a higher time frame, which is even better. Now they just trending. Bow. Took off. So just be cognizant on this there. Just be patient. You got 8 candle rule, you have to stop loss. Don't go risking 5-6%. Risk 1% of your account is NFP day, all right? Or just paper trade it. Either one. Play demo, whatever you gotta do. Click an account. But this is the trade I would take looking at it. So I would take my time, patience. My stop loss is right here. If it goes south on me and completely turns, I know what I'm doing. I can rebound, break even, and profit. But other than that, guys, we got some profits on 30. We killed 30 for a minute. We in GU. I'm in GU with y'all, so I'm following my rules too. I'm with y'all. I like GU. I'm gonna take it with y'all. I'm in there. Pulling back on us though. They both pulling back. All GP pairs doing the same thing right now. They're all dropping, pull back, dropping, pull back. So they all doing the same thing. You see, they all doing the same thing. GJ probably doing the same thing. Yeah, so they're all doing their thug thizzle. Doing their thug thizzle. So we got plenty of room. So here you go. Let that be. Nice sniper entries. Ideally we wanted to be down here, but hey, we saw good. We just saw it. France 40. France 40. I see France falling down. For sure. I saw that. I was actually looking at that today, this morning when I woke up. That was the first pair I looked at. It's going to follow US 30. Yeah, it's falling. I ain't even got to look at it. I know about to fall. It's following US 30. France 40 follows. That's how I studied this. How I found out. Let's see. Looks good. I like it. We do have a TP level right here. Stop loss right above it. That's actually not bad. It's not as volatile as US 30, which is a plus. So let's check it out. Maybe we can get something to run us into the intraday, because you know New York gonna come. So let's see what he can do for us. Stop loss already pinned up there, bam. So let's see where it's at. Let's see where really you can go. It's due for a pullback. It's due for a pullback. Let's see. 4 hour. Yeah, due for a pullback. Oh yeah, thing due for a pullback. Right to it. Heck yeah. This come over. Oh yeah, we're golden. Oh yeah, let's do that. I like that one. All right, so guys, on you France 40, we're gonna put this up just a little further. France 40 is not as volatile as US 30, which is a plus, but don't go crazy on it. All right, I like this trade though. So you can get it right now, which is a plus. You can get it right now. Keep your stop loss. You're gonna set it and forget this. Don't even look at it. Just set it and forget it. And when you just take your profits when you want, but set it, forget it. Your TP is gonna be to the 800. TP is gonna be to the 800. That's gonna be the real TP. It's gonna go past it. That's the way I'm putting it at. But if you see it coming towards that 800 and it's about to reject, take your money. All right. It's already correcting. So the 5-minute corrected. Let's check it out. The 5-minute corrected, which is good. 15-minute, the first time I actually see the correction, it's happening. Contacting the 30, it's happening. 1 hour is being contacted, it's happening. Here we go. We got the full correction on the 1 hour. This is our full correction in between the sheets. TP1, bam, that's our TP right there. So we know the correction's happening on France 40. 4 hours been contacted, and now we're good. So what they'll do is they'll hit down this aqua and they'll pull back. EMAs are going to cloud over and they're going to hang out at this aqua until next week. And then when next week's hit, they're going to correct the 4 hour. So 15-minute, you can go ahead, you should be hitting it. If you hit the button, you're good. Set it and forget it. This 15-minute 800 is going to be the 1 hour 200. You see how that works? There you go. That's why you know your EMAs. That 15-minute 800 or that 15-minute 800 is going to be the 1 hour correction time, correction TP. There you go. Wow. So here you go, France 40. Looks good. I like it. I like this. I like this trade. We actually, you have 3 hours to be in profit on this. Technically. All right. You technically, because you got sauce right here. You got some sauce right here. You got 3 hours to be in profit. So if you're not in profit in 3 hours, you exit the trade just like that. So you can set your timer right now. You can. That's why it's set it and forget it. So stop loss. TP to the white line. You only get one TP. TP to the white line. That's it. TP to the white line. Bam, you're done. Y'all playing the event. Y'all playing what y'all about to learn next week, so it's all good. You get to actually experience it. Now understand, you are playing against the trend. We understand that, but we're in the correction. That's why we have 3 candle rule. Got to be in profit. TP or your stop losses up here because we understand that this thing could pull down because this is the real move. This is the fake move right here, but they entered the correction, so we know that they are trying to correct. But for some reason, they just decide to come back up. All right, we can't be mad about that. We know that the trend is up. They just ended up pulling back and doing some corrections on these time frames. That's why we're playing. We're being patient on it because we gotta go through all this noise. All this noise on a 15-minute. It'll go up and down, up and down. Put all that noise down here. So that's why when you see the correction on the higher time frame, you just be patient. You gotta look at that noise. You're looking at this. So now your rule is 3 hours. You're not in profit in 3 hour, 1 hour candles. You exit trade, just like that. And you got a good entry at the yellow line. So France 40 stop loss TP is on the screen. Here we go in the chats. Bam, 3 hours. Set it, forget it. Any questions on that? Hope that makes sense. Man, my throat. Hope that made sense. I like that. I'm in there with y'all. I'm taking France 40. I'm taking it with you. I like this trade. I know I get a look. If I'm not in profit at 10 a.m., I'm out of here. If I ain't in profit at 10 a.m., guess what? I'm out of there. I got to 10 a.m. That's it. Nothing further. That's it. That's all she wrote. TP to the white line. What's that? Bam. Put mine in. Let me put mine in. Alright, I'm in there with you. I'm in there GU and I'm in France. I didn't do GA because I got only like 2 trades running at a time. Or 3 trades at most that I can manage. And I got rules to all of them, so I know what's happening. But I only like having 2 to 3 at my time. I only manage at most 3. So I'm good. And once I click out all of them, then I can go to a new pair. But I encourage don't do no more than 3 trades in your MT4. That way you can manage them. Because you see how we could hit US 33 times in the matter of like an hour and a half. And you've been done. You've been done for the week. Technically, you've been done for the week. So that's all I have, guys. I'm going to go too crazy. GU looks good. Let GU ride. You got 8 candles. Right here, you got 3 hours. So let Siri babysit for you. All right. And then GU, let's check it out real fast. Did gold take off on us? Probably did. Probably ain't going to come back for us. So we're going to have to wait for it. GU looks good. Yeah, let that thing just be. We hanging at entry. So let it be. We look good. So yeah, let that thing be. And we got sauce in the 1 hour. And you can look at this. We got 3 hours being profit. So if you want to hit it again, you got your 8 candle rule. And guess what? You hit it again, you got 3 candles. So this is how you maximize those gains. This is why you get to have so many entries destroying the market. That's why you concentrate on one pair. So if I was playing GU all day, I'd be concentrating on the 15-minute time frame and that 1 hour, because I know that I enter on the 15 down here, and I know that I entered on the 1 hour same place. So I got 3 hours and I got 8 candles. So I mean, either way, you get the same entry, you're gonna be in profit on both. That's how you stack University. Keep smacking them. Same pair over and over and over. I play like 3 pairs, y'all. That's why I send out hundreds and hundreds of gold trades. I'm playing gold 24/7. That's all I look at. Gold, GA, AJ. Nothing else. Gold, GA, AJ. That's in my MT4. I'll play my other pairs. I'll just play them. You know what I'm saying? My click account. Everything else, I'm smacking the same 3 pairs every day. No change. So yeah, so I got. Any questions on that? Friends 40 looking good. Should be in some good profits pretty soon. It's not as volatile, so you don't have to worry about it killing your account. But it's nice. It's a smooth ride. All right, well, I appreciate y'all. We went 1 and 2 on HFX. It's all good. USD. Oh, UJ, I got you. We did 1 and 2 on HFX. It's real slow. We all saw that. It's slow, but it's all good. 1 and 2. We take it. Some of y'all went 2 and 2. Some of y'all broke even. It's all good. UJ is correction. So pull it back. Broke the water. Here's your sauce. Super right there. 1, 2, 3. You're in profit. So that's late. Don't want to take that one late. So let's look at this 4 hour. It might give you an entry. 4 hour about to give you an entry. All right, here you go. Here you go. You see what's happening. Look, what happened? You see what's happening. First leg. Second leg. Give you, bam. You already know what's happening. What are you waiting for now? You already know what you're waiting for. Wait for the full on. They didn't give you the full on. They didn't give you the full on yet. All right, so you'd have to be like, it's going to be a long trade. You would be in this over the weekend. Oh, not really. Not really. You'd be actually, because this thing is, it can just drop, which is fine. But this is how it's going to look. Spread times 2 at that first leg. TP should be coming down to that. It should come down to this daily aqua, which is right here. So it should be down to this daily aqua. So this should be the daily aqua right here coming down. Let's make sure we're correct. And there you go. Come back to that daily aqua. See how that works. So we have that daily aqua. So yeah, they gave you what you wanted. First leg, second leg. All you gotta do is wait for the entry. Really, so all you gotta do now is wait for this entry. So wait for this to close in an hour and 47 minutes. It should give you an entry. So let it connect. It should give you a pretty good entry. First TP, honestly, to your equilibrium. You safe at the equilibrium, 40 pips. And then once it passes, the equilibrium is correcting. If you play this pair by itself, just come down to lower time frames and find everything you can to kill it. So 4 hour, yeah, let it connect. I'll let you find that. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at on there. I would wait for this to connect in an hour and 47 minutes. So let this candle close. Make sure it actually closes over. Make sure it collapses. Make sure it collapses over this 13. If it collapses, you good. You good. You got a smooth trade. Cause I mean, this is the first leg. The second leg respected it. You got divergence somewhere on TDI. Crazy divergence. Crazy divergence right now. Got divergence right here. Look at that. Bam. Oh, you're going the right way. You're good. You're going the right way. Look at that. Look where price is at. Price is showing way down. So you're good. It's following. So price is showing. Everything's lining up. It hit you with a power. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're golden. Yeah, let this connect. Let that connect and then get into the trade. So I'll let you definitely do your own stop loss TP on that. So that's UJ, guys, on a 4 hour. So check that. That could be. I mean, you ain't gonna be in that over the weekend if you don't want to, because it's NFP. So this thing really can go like it's supposed to do. If you want to get in now, that's the aggressive entry. All right, that's the very aggressive entry, and that's entering off of the 15. Yeah, that's the aggressive entry, entering off the 15. All right, so that's your entry on the 15. So pretty much is right now. So how I'll let you go ahead and I'll put it down. I'll put the parameters down. What it's looking like. But if you went down, you're golden. If you want to get it now in the aggressive entry, me, if I was taking this, I'm not gonna take it right now because I got too many trades. I got 3 trades. But the aggressive entry is right now. The conservative is in the hour and 45 minutes. So me, I'm an aggressive trader. I'm in there like swimwear. I ain't got no fear. No fear in the market. I'm in there. Everything's fast. So entry is now. You're aggressive. All right. The conservative is in an hour and 45 minutes. Your TP is going to be 114280. That's the full catch. The 40 pip catch is going to be to the equilibrium, which is 115454. All right, that's your. I mean, I don't like to say it's risk free, but that's your first TP if you want everybody to take some money. It is an FP, so don't go crazy on them. All right, that was UJ. Looking good, looking good.
Hey, thanks, Fonzo.
Hey, you're welcome. Yeah, no problem. So yeah, if you want to drop a 01 on it, check it out, see how it's looking. But yeah, this is, I mean, that's what I'm looking at. Out. This is right here this is way out of the range. This thing is about to fall. This thing about to take off. So that's a good 100 pip move fully. That's a full, what's a full 100 maybe 100. UJ goes about 100 pips, so that's a full move. Hey, look at that, 140. That take you to next week. 150 pips. Back to the daily. Back to the daily NFP week. You know about to get some crazy news, so this thing can go 100 today. They can go 100 today. But yeah, that's what I see on UJ. Man, I might have to. Whew, I like this, James. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find a way to put this in the account right now. I like to keep my rules, but man, this is a crazy move.
Hey, we used to say in the Army, we'd always say, do what your rake can handle. So in this case, do what your account can handle, you know?
Yep, absolutely. Wait, do what your rake can handle. That's right. Absolutely. I always tell people that you gotta take everything, but everything look good. But I appreciate y'all being on, definitely. Again, it's gonna be recorded, so you can catch it on the app as well if you want to go. So just go to London Live on the app. It'll be up there the next like 20 minutes once it's uploaded. And then yeah, review all the live trade sessions if you want to on the app or on YouTube. Check them out, see how I'm trading it. I just want you guys to be independent trading and just smacking the market, man. I want you guys smacking the market this year, so learn the skill. We are looking good on France 40. We're looking golden on France 40. Looking beautiful. I think this thing is really gonna go. That means US 30 is dripping. Yeah, we're looking real good on this. Looking real good on this. 3 hours being profit. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're looking good. We're gonna be good. We should be good. Let's look at US 30 real fast. Let's see. Did we did it stop me out? I don't know if it stopped me out. Did it stop y'all out? Back in profit? Did it stop you on profit? I didn't check my MT4.
No, it was like right above TP, and then it started going back the opposite direction, like a retracement.
No, we're still good. Hold on. Oh, we still golden. Oh man, we in there. We in TP. Oh, my MT. Oh, there we go. I hit TP. Y'all hit TP. Y'all hit the TP, full TP. We hit risk free and then hit TP. Oh man, y'all ain't even say nothing. Y'all was over. Y'all was tuned into the education. I hear you. I feel y'all. I feel you. Damn, we in there, guys. All right, well, good job on that. Definitely, we was over here chilling. I told you once it's risk free, you ain't got nothing to worry about. It missed. Yeah, it missed all the whole. You see how that happens right there? How that happens right there? We're good. 3-5 pips. So let me show you what happens on a trailing stop. So I don't knock trailing stops. Trailing stops are good people that's like learning. But when you're advanced, guys, try to get away from trailing stops, because when you get these advanced entries, especially with this strategy that I'm teaching you guys at EMA, try to get away from it, because you're going to be able to hit this thing over and over and over. So you see how this, let me turn this down so you guys can actually see how this works. All right, so on the trailing stop, what the market makers do, right? What the market does is you got some levels up here. So remember when I said we're trying to, so delete this pending, the sell limit. Delete that sell limit too. My bad. Delete that sell limit too, because we already got in. We're good. We're hit TP. So let's delete that so you can see it. All right, so we're hit TP. Now what happens is they will, hold on. Let me go ahead and update the chart. All right, so what they do is, hold on, my bad. I don't know what I just did. All right, so what they'll do is they'll come here. So let's take this line here. Let's take this horizontal line. All right. So when you get into profit, all right, and this is your first TP, right? So your first TP, what happens? Say you have a 100-point trailing stop. So usually on US 30, most people have 100 points, not 10 pips, but 100 points, which is equivalent to 10 pips. So let's say 10 pip or anything. So you have 10 pips trailing stop. So what happens is once you hit this TP right here, it's going to measure 10 pips above right there. All right. So when it measures 10 pips above, they take out those, it's called a stop hunt. They take out those stop hunts. And what happens is they come to the lower time frame. So we'll drop to the 3 minute. because that's gonna be our next time frame, not the 1 minute, 3 minute. Right? Remember that. That's gonna be the next time frame down, not the 1 minute. They come to this. They come here. They do a stop hunt. Well, people had some stop losses on their 1 minute or 3 minute entry. Look where it hit these stop losses. All right, hit these stop losses right here. So they have some entries right here because they're playing off of break and retest, which is right here, break and retest. So what they do is, I'll just drop this right here. So they have a short on these lower time frames because this is how they play. All right, they have this short and they have a stop loss, real tight, right? And they'll have their TP down here. So what they do is support and resistance right here. I know it's a lot, but hold on, I'm gonna show you. You have your break and retest. This is how people are playing. They're thinking like this. All right, everybody's thinking the same. So in this lower time frame, they're like, oh, here's the break and retest coming. Well, the break and retest happens, all right, and guess what they do? The stop losses are above what? That zone, right? They're above that zone. So people put their stop loss above that zone. So what they do is they take them out. So they go ahead, they come back here, give them some profits, and they take them out. Bow. So they just immediately take them right out. So when they take them out, guess what happens to us? Well, if you have a trailing stop, it hits your trailing stop because that's where your new stop loss is at. So every time that the market pulls down some more, it'll pull it back, 10 more pips. It'll trail it for 10 pips. Versus if you put it 3 to 5 pips above your in front of your entry, you put it 3 to 5 pips in front of your entry, it is out of the reach of the dealer. Now, if it knocks you on a profit up there, that's a great. But 3 to 5 pips is because every broker is different. So the average spread is about 3. All right, so 3 to 5. GBP NZD has a spread of almost like 5 every day. So the average spread is 3 to 5. So that way, if it knocks you out and knocks you out on profit, you don't want to put it 1 pip or at the entry because then you'll be negative. You know what I'm saying? Every cent counts, right? So it'll be negative. So I hope that makes sense. So try to get away from your trailing stop so that way you don't get stopped out too early. That way you can set it in risk free like we did, and we had no worries. So you just sit there, back, relax, and you're good to go. You have nothing to worry about. But good job on that. Good TP. Good TP. All right, TP was smacked. Looks good. France 40 is dripping. France 40 is dripping. Easy trading, man. Stress free. Stress free trading. I like it. I don't like all that stress. Too much stress trying to trade some of these pairs. And gold took off, so it didn't come back to it, which is right. So we're gonna do something for gold. I'm gonna figure something out for gold. And we're gonna find something good for gold. I'll figure something out. Y'all enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. I enjoyed learning session. I enjoyed getting up trade with you guys. We went 1 and 2, earned a little bit on HFX. We gained some profits on Forex. We still gaining. Hitting TP. Look at that. Hit TP again. This thing is dripping. That 15-minute probably doing, that 4 hours doing something lovely. Oh yeah, that 4 hour doing something lovely in a minute. Yeah, just be careful on that, that's all. Just be careful on 30. You know how it is. Other than that, anybody got any questions? Anything else you need to look at? Y'all good? I appreciate y'all for sure.
I was watching
100%.
I was watching one of your videos, and you said that you gave your brother a set of rules that made him really successful. Do you remember what those rules were?
Yeah. So, all right. So the rules he had was he has his own business, so he landscapes. He does all. Don't trade while you're working. Like, don't do anything while you're working. If you have 10 minutes, if you have 10 to 15 minutes, and you can actually look at the trade and develop the trade, see what you're looking at, or for 30 minutes in between to do something, then look at the charts then. So he did that. He looked at the charts when he had his free time. He had 15 minutes. He would look at it. So he knew he had a trade to get set up, and he would set his trade up. All right. Whether it was a pending or whether it was, straight off something. Well, he said that he was just following his vibe alerts. So he just set his vibe, and he said, you know what? He followed his entry and he followed his exit. That's all he did. His entry and the exit. And he played it just like that. And he had a risk to reward 1 and 2. So pretty much just following your rules. If you're playing vibe, follow your rules, your entry and your exit. Simple as that, just like that. That's all he played, entry and exit. And he said he waited for it to tell him to get out of the trade. Well, it didn't tell him to get out of the trade, so therefore he never looked at his phone because it's either got 2 things it's going to do. It's going to take you out the trade before it hits your stop loss, just about, unless it spikes. Or it's going to go right towards your TP because nothing's telling you to get out of the trade. All right. So that's what he did. He did not look at his phone. He didn't babysit it. And when he did look at his phone, he was in profit. All right. So if he was playing 3 candle rule, he pretty much followed his rule. Like, he followed all his rules. So that's why he was successful in completing so fast, because he just followed the rules. So a lot of us, we come from different backgrounds, so it's hard to follow rules, which is fine. But he was so new that the only thing he knew was to actually all right, these are the rules he gave me, so let me just follow these rules. So just don't trade when you're at work. That's the biggest thing. Don't trade when you're at work because you don't have an open mind. And just trade when you got, make some time. So he traded London session. So he had to be on the jobs at 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. So he would trade 5 o'clock in the morning until that time. He make all of his money in a 3 hour span. So he wouldn't trade anytime after 8. After 8 o'clock, he just had trades rolling, or he just was already, you know, closing them out, managing them. So that's how he did it. Yeah, he made that slotted time. And that's a big deal too, guys, because you don't want to trade while you don't have an open mind. So, but if you can set something up, set it up, set it, forget it, move on. That's why I created Vibe for you guys to do that, because I got tired of looking at trades. I'll be out, man. I'll be on the planes. I'll be on the plane. I can't be looking at trades. You know what I mean? Gotta wait, gotta set it, forget it. So yeah. But yeah, that's how he was successful, James. A good question on that. That's how he was successful, and he crushed it. He's funded. He's doing his thing. He's actually merging accounts. He's doing his thing right now. He's enjoying. He's a brand new newbie. God doesn't know how to count a pip. He's killing the market. He's killing the market. It's based on rules. I was like, all right, that makes sense. But I appreciate y'all being on. We'll see what GU is at entry still. All right, it's all good. France 40 is doing its thug thizzle. That's what I'm talking about, France 40. Look at you, James. James giving us the profits. James doing his homework, boy. He doing that homework. I forget to grade y'all homework. I'm great today. I need y'all to keep doing some more, though. Dang, I think, look at that. You still got 2 hours. You still got 2.5 hours. Like, you dripping. And this is good profits right here, guys, because you don't need much on this. So you're definitely a good profit. So don't let your profits escape, but you looking good. Looking real good. All right, y'all. I'm going to holler at y'all. Be breezy. Y'all be breezy. I appreciate y'all being on. I'm going to upload this. Y'all can watch it. All right, I'm going to send some things out in all the chats and all my chats today. It's Friday, so I know people trying to get to the bag, so I'm going to let it do what it do. Y'all stay blessed.